I just want to hold tension. I'm still walking.
All right.
Big ass.
It's the best for the water, though. Mine is slow.
Is it?
Since it's a whitewater one, the whole thing's underwater almost. All right, we're coming down. All right, we're back at this mine, and we're gonna see if we can get further.
It really is.
See if we can see some cool stuff. Gets easier but slipperier here. The scale of things is just so big.
Yeah.
All right, so there's vulture babies here. I've never seen them.
Oh, there's two. Yeah, there's
Yeah, they're little buddies. Holy.
wow.
Oh yeah. Yeah, we're back. And the water level doesn't look any higher, does it?
No, it doesn't. It's nice.
Wow. We got an adventure crew this time.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh snap. We definitely aren't going to be able to see half this mine. Yeah, because last time half of the mine was separated by like this tiny little doorway that we had to squeeze under.
Think it's gonna be too high now?
Definitely, sadly. I mean, we just fit. All that was not underwater. You could walk right there. Yeah. Oh. I guess that's how I did it. All right, I'm off. It's so dark and big. Whoa. Dude, the roof keeps getting higher over here. Yeah. It might be 50 feet here. It's gotta be about 80 feet there though. Or more. Oh yeah. Dang. Let's see, did this way just end over here? We might have to check out everything again. Look at the water level on the wall. It's usually up there. Dead end over there? Dang. Oh, that's cool. That just looks cool with him going underneath that archway. Got a dog. I hear water trickling in. Oh yeah. Dang, yeah, with some insulators on the wall. Pretty cool. Yeah. Where's that water noise coming from though? I'm about to find out. Whoa. This place is awesome. Dang. It's like a water world in here. Yeah, I know, right?
I'm gonna get closer to it.
Dang! It's so dark! Oh my god! Dude, that felt weird. Just kind of floating here. Really? Yeah. That's a hell of a lot better than those rafts too. You can't control those rafts like, I know. How are you liking the inflatable, Blake? Heck yeah. Dude, that light makes all the difference. You can't see anything without that. Wait, what? I think it dead ended. You see these little pockets a lot. Wow, it just keeps going.
Yeah.
You know, we're in a maze. I forget where we've ever been before.
I don't know. We just gotta keep going.
Yeah. Dude, I don't know what this is, but this is crazy, yo.
If it is, it'll open up right after this tunnel.
It's so tight, though. I don't think I can get into it even.
Choo!
Nope, I'm not gonna fit. I was actually damn close. Let's see what you can do.
What can you find over there? See what I can do. If I don't make it back.
I'll swim in there after you.
Right.
It's so tight.
It should open up right after that.
Yeah, this is where the stalactites are, right?
Yeah, you gotta go through here.
It's so tight. I think it just opens up from there. I think so, yeah.
Wasn't as tight. Okay, hold on.
Yeah, don't do it if you can't do it. Don't fall in.
I'm next, guys.
Yeah, you can. I don't think so.
Dude, you almost got it though.
Oh, might have.
I see a pipe up there.
Oh, that's cool. That's a really big light. That thing is cool. Yeah, it sure is. That'd be a good artifact. It's probably from here, to be honest. Oh,
Yeah.
sure, dude. I mean, think about how many lights you need to light up this place.
I know.
I feel like it connects this way.
Where else is there to go? I'm going to explore this area.
What's up there?
Let me find out. It just keeps going up. It's too steep though. It becomes vertical. I mean, this is bad enough right here. I'm sliding my way down.
So, yeah. Oh, yeah. Raccoon? Yeah.
What'd you see?
It goes up and then turns vertical. But I didn't see any light coming in.
I'm sure you can get out there.
Really makes you wonder.
It's like a little kid.
Yeah.
Just the little.
Just one more.
Push that big one off.
Oh, yeah.
That would be awesome.
Roll a big one.
Yeah.
Not that one.
Too big, right?
Big.
All right, we got the big one. Holy. The sheer echo.
That is the
I saw
coolest
air
thing.
come up. That was weird.
If we could just get everyone to do that.
Yes. It's still echoing.
Look at this, look at this. Look, you see air come up.
Coming back down. Oh, we got a can opener here. Right next to some double filtered taste something. It was charcoal starter, of course. Yeah. They're cooking the cans of beans or something. All right, back down to the boats. 16%, let's go. All right, this is the grate in our last video. We never actually went up to it. We just talked about it. Holy moly, that's up there. Oh, and they bolted the roof up too?
Yeah.
Looks like a giant plate.
Up there. It looks like a pipe or something. It's massive. It looks like it wants to fall on us too.
Wow.
Get up there.
That's amazing.
Maybe.
Cliff entrance, dead ahead. Oh yeah, there's two of them. I really want to know if it keeps going up there.
That's a lot of rope for it,
Yeah.
You're gonna have to anchor that one.
You just wait till the water level goes up where you see the line at, and then you'd only have to go up another 20 feet or so.
I'll just wait for the next big rainfall when we get 10 inches of rain to fill this up.
Oh yeah.
So how do you get in that way?
You hike on the same hill that we were on. Instead of turning and going up that hill that we had to push all the kayaks up, you just keep walking, and eventually you'll hit these entrances. That's the first one Tim found.
That's the one we should have dropped down.
Might need some rappelling gear for that.
Yeah.
Or just cannonball off of
Or
it.
just, yeah, I was gonna say just yeet yourself.
I'm thinking about bringing some beer.
Tweet, tweet. I hear some birds up there. Wow. It's too massive over here. Too massive. Like you can't even comprehend it. Heck yeah. Don't even need our lights now. All right, we got it all packed up. Back on land and heading out. It's out in the abyss.